हेलो डियर फ्रेंड्स, संडे एकेडमी को आपण मानक स्वागत। आज आम देखा आरआरबी एनटीपीसी एंड आरआरबी ग्रुप डी रो ट्रेडिशनल जीके इंडियन पॉलिटी पार्ट 4। चलो स्टार्ट करवा। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हिच शेड्यूल ऑफ इंडियन कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन कंटेन्स द प्रोविजन ऑफ ऑन पंचायत राज इंस्टीट्यूशन? 10th शेड्यूल, 11th, 9th और 12th? आंसर ऑफ आपनकर बी 11th शेड्यूल। Explanation was 11th schedule of an Indian constitution contained the provisions on Panchayat Raj institution. The 73rd Amendment 1992 added a new part 9 to the constitution titled the Panchayatas, covering the provision from Article 343 to 343O, and a new 11th schedule covering 29 subjects within the functioning of the panchayatas. Okay, question number 2, which of the following article is related to right to freedom of religion in the Indian constitution? Article 20, 30, 15 or 25? Answer of D 25. Article 25-28 of the Indian Constitution cover the right to freedom of religion. These articles are found in Part 3 of the Constitution. Okay. Question number 3. The 6th schedule of the Indian Constitution doesn't exercise its control to the tribal areas. Which of the following state? Manipur, Tripura, Assam, Meghalaya. Answer of A, Manipur. Okay. On the 16th schedule of the Indian Constitution does not exercise control to the tribal areas of Manipur. Question number 4. Which part of the Indian Constitution contains the provision on the Union territories? Part B double I, Part B triple I, Part IX, Part IXB. Answer of Part B triple I. Okay. Question number 5. Which of the article of Indian Constitution tells about the election of the president? Article 51A, 54, 51 or 53? Answer apanakara B 54. Explanation hoji Article 54 of the Indian Constitution talks about the election of president. Okay. Question number 6. Which article of the Indian Constitution gives the guarantee for the protection of life and individual freedom? Article 21A, 20, 21 or 22? Answer of C, Article 21. Okay. Article 21 of the Indian Constitution gives guarantees for the protection of life and individual freedom. Question number 7. Which part was added in the Constitution by the 73rd Constitution Act? Part IX, Part IXB, Part IXA, Part X? Answer of A, Part IX. The 73rd Amendment 1992 added a new Part IX to the Constitution titled the Panchayatas, covering the provision from Article 243 to 243O, and a new 11th schedule covering 29 subjects within the functions of the Panchayatas. Okay. Question number 8. Under which article every citizen of India has given the right to health? Article 19, Article 20, 21A or 20? Answer of D, Article 21. Union of India AIR 1984 SC 812, the Supreme Court held that although the PSP are not binding obligations but hold preservative value, yet they should be duly implemented by the state. Further, the court held that dignity and health fall within the ambit of the life and liberty under Article 21. Okay. Question number 9. Which part of the Indian Constitution enlists the fundamental rights? Part 4, Part 5, Part 3 or Part 2? So, Part 3. The Part 3 of the Indian Constitution enlists the fundamental right guaranteed to the citizen of the country. Question number 10. Agriculture as a subject is included in which list of the Constitution? Residuary power, Union list, state list, concurrent list? Answer of C, state list. 14.20.1 in the Indian Constitution, agriculture has been placed on entry 14 in the state list along with the several ancillary matters, while some agriculture related items have been included in the union list and the concurrent list. Okay. पिला माने ये होचे हम संडे एकेडमी रो आईएसओएस बैच जोते कि आपण मानकु प्रीलिम्स मेंस इंटरव्यू पय कोचिंग दिया जाउची ड्यूरेशन रे 1 ईयर अधिक जाने होतले आपण माने निश्चित भाव ओपन नंबर से कांटेक्ट करिवे नहले ऑफिस एड्रेस विजिट कर परिवे आशा वाली गोटे ओपीएससी एसओ एंड ओएमएस रो 2025 बैच स्टार्ट होईची जोते कि आपनकर 1 ईयर वैलिडिटी रहबो पेपर 1 2 3 आपण सिलेबस कवर रहबो 50% ऑफ रहिची बैच भी स्टार्ट हलानी आपण माने निश्चित भाव ओपन नंबर कांटेक्ट करिवे नहले ऑफिस एड्रेस से विजिट करिवे Question number 11. According to which article of the Indian Constitution the President rule is implemented in a state? Article 368, 356, 350 or 325. Answer आपनकर B 356. Okay. Article 356 of the Indian Constitution talks about the state emergency, also called the President rule. Emergency can be declared in any state of India under the Article 356 on the recommendation of the governor of the state in the case of failure of the state's machinery. Okay. Question number 12. Which article of the Indian Constitution states that the law declared by the Supreme Court is to be binding on courts within the territory of India? Article 127, 133, 147 or 144. So D 141. Okay. Article 141 of the Indian Constitution states that the law declared by the Supreme Court shall be binding in all courts within the territory of India. Question number 13. Under which article of the Constitution of India can members of the Anglo-Indian community be nominated to the Lok Sabha by the President? 326, 333, 342, 331. Answer D 331. Article 331. Representation of the Anglo-Indian community in the Lok Sabha. It says that the President may appoint 2 members from the Anglo-Indian community to Lok Sabha. Okay. Question number 14. In India, which of the following article of the Constitution of India provide for the formation of a new state? Article 1, 3, 2 or 9. Answer B. Article 3. Okay. Question number 15. The powers, privilege and immunity of either House, Parliament and its committee and members have mainly been laid down in Article 115, 107, 105 or 102. So, C 105. The powers, privilege and immunity of the either House of the Indian Parliament and its members and committee laid down in Article 105 the Indian Constitution. Question number 16. Matters which are not pointed in order can be raised by the way of special motions under rule dash of Lok Sabha 377, 302, 223, 214. Answer of 377. Matters which are not pointed of order can be raised by the way of special motion under 377 of Lok Sabha. Question number 17. Which article of the Constitution of India provision for the reservation of the seat of the scheduled caste and scheduled tribes in the House of the People? Article 325, 321, 330, 335. Answer of C 333. Answer C 330. Okay. Article 330 of the Constitution of India reserves seats in the House of the People of the scheduled caste and scheduled tribe. This article is part of the part XVI, which is titled Special Provision Relating to Certain Classes. Question number 18. Which of the following article of the Constitution of the Indian associated with the election of the President of India? Article 103, Article 78, Article 74, Article 54. This is D 54. Article 54 of the Indian Constitution states the Indian President shall be elected by the members of an electoral college consisting of the elected members of the both houses of parliament and the elected members of the legislative assembly of the state. Question number 19. Which of the following article of the Indian Constitution provide for the appointment of a finance commission? Article 300, 290, 320, 280. Answer of D 280. Article 280 of the Indian Constitution provide for appointment of finance commission. Last question. Which of the following schedule of the Constitution of India contain the format of oaths to be taken by the different constitutional functionaries? 4th schedule, 5th, 3rd or 2nd? Answer C 3rd schedule. 3rd schedule the Indian Constitution presently there are 12 schedules. The 3rd schedule consists of forms of oath of affirmation for the Indian ministers. Okay. ପିଲାମାନେ ଇଏ ହେଉଛି ଆମର ସନ୍ଡେ ଏକାଡେମୀ ଯୋଉଥିରେ କି ଆପଣମାନଙ୍କୁ सन एकेडमी लाइब्रेरी भी अवेलेबल अच्छी जो कि फैसिलिटी मिले नॉन एसी कि एसी फैसिलिटी अनलिमिटेड वाईफाई कनेक्शन कंफर्टेबल स्टडी स्पेस 2 फ्री मॉक टेस्ट डिस्कशन स्टडी मटेरियल अवेलेबल रही वीकली डाउट क्लियरिंग भी रही सहित सन एकेडमी आपंकर एसएससी ओएसएससी ओ ट्रिपल एस हाइब्रिड बैच रही जोटा कि आप अपकमिंग आसुवा पाखापाखि पाखापाखि 14-15 जो वैकेंसी बाहर गोटे कोचिंग दि जाऊँगी ड्यूरेशन 6 मंथ आपने नंबर कंटाक्ट करेंगे ना आपने ऑफिशियल विजिट करेंगे आज देखिए आम क्वेश्चन नंबर डे अकॉर्डिंग टू द व्हिच ऑफ द आर्टिकल ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया शाल द काउंसिल ऑफ मिनिस्टर कलेक्टिवली रिस्पांसिबल टू लोकसभा आर्टिकल 29 75 38 और 302 आपण मैंने निश्चित भाई क्वेश्चन आंसर देवे कमेंट सेक्शन जणेबे आम जानू जे आपण मैंने इंटरेस्टेड होती आर्टिकल पाइबा आउ जार आंसर ठीक है निश्चित आम गोटे मैंने गोटे हार्ट सिंबल पाइबे आउ वीडियो टिके देखि बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद प्लीज टिके आपण माने संग मानू सेट मानू शेयर करेंगे लाइक शेयर कमेंट करेंगे आउ एति रहला वीडियो नेक्स्ट क्लास से हमें आउ किछि न्यू जिंस देखिबा थैंक यू सो मच।